Your next step is to solve these 5 corners on top for the first layer. Now, once again, if you know how to solve 3 by 3, it's pretty much the exact same, just some more corners. So for example, I got this. I'm going to put it below where I want to insert it, and I'm just going to do the 4 move insert we do for 3 by 3, and to put it in here. This one's next, green or dark green and red. Put it under, do the algorithm until it goes in. My next one's yellow, blue, and white. Then I got purple, yellow, and white. And my last corner is right here, dark green and purple. So make sure, once again, kind of like it is on 3 by 3, look at your centers, like what's in between them, and make sure you match those colors. So for example, we got blue, yellow, and then we got blue, yellow centers. Because if you don't insert them right, it could look something like this where they're not matched. And another thing is too, is if you're new to Megaminx, you can obviously tell there's more layers than there is on a 3 by 3. Well, the steps are similar, try not to get confused. So for example, these 2 corners, like how I put this one here, like when I put it on the bottom, like right under where it needs to go to do the algorithm. Try not to accidentally put it here or here, because if you're new to Megaminx, it's a possibility to get confused from those 3 corners because they're 3 bottom corners.